What up, guys? We're back.
Hi.
Oh yeah, that's my little one. Hello. Shoo. Shoo.
Hey.
Shoo. So, fun stuff today. Had to bleed the coolant, replace that. There was actual coolant in there. I'm in the Northeast, it gets cold. So, you know, you leave water in the car. Well, goodbye engine. But flush that out. Got in just distilled water and water right now. Yeah, don't ask about the beard, I lost the bet. Anyway, so fun stuff today. Hopefully we can go test the car. We can try out this new Hitmaster valve. Let's see how it works. So let's get it popping. All right, so first things first, let's get this pump out of here. Car always sits with 93, so let's get that drained. This is how I have my fuel cell. Ah, no! That's where I have my fuel cell mounted. It's right up front. 10-gallon cell. Believe it or not, the cell is like ginormous. Eventually what's gonna happen is when I make my weight plate up here, that's gonna sit up front along with the 16-volt battery and everything else. Just in front of everything as far forward as possible. And Lord knows I don't need 10 gallons, but there was kind of some science behind it. Just because I need as much weight in the front as possible. My cheap way of making a ballast, I fill that and I got 10 gallons worth of weight up front. So it's kind of a little bit of a cheat code, but there's better ways to do that, and that is incoming. So let's grab, turn our fuel pump on, let's get all this fuel out, and let's get the Ignite E98 in, or E90 I should say, and let's get it going. Let's get this drained into my big baby bottle. This welding does not fuck around. It's like a fire hose. Look at this. This is the return. Like I don't like is the return's going uphill. Let's get a little more out, a little more out. Almost there. Come on. Come on. All right, that's good enough. All right. Now time for the E. All right. Here's the fun stuff. Oh no. This kid's just spout out. There you go. This stuff's great. I've been using Ignite Red for probably, I'm trying to think, at least since 2017. Had zero issues, no matter what boost I've thrown at it. No ignition issues, nothing. Just clean ethanol. Always test the same. Works. Makes great power. Alright. This is actually going to stay in here for the rest of the week. Because if all goes well, we'll have a track day, maybe Tuesday. It's Sunday for reference. You want those last few drops, baby girl? You want those last few drops? Yeah. All right. Go time. Well, that was interesting. That's actually the first time that I've launched that car on the street, on slicks, in a long time. And now I'm completely convinced that it'll wheelie on the street. Yeah, about that. So, that's it for the night. The next stop is Ivan Alignments. We're gonna do that on Tuesday, so day after tomorrow. And the plan is, I got these limiting straps for the front because clearly I'm gonna fucking need it. So I'm gonna get the limiting straps in. I wanna get the car aligned. I wanna get it corner balanced. I'm still having an issue actually with the clutch valve. The only issue I'm having is controlling it in the ECU. So I have one of my guys. I mean, I'm pretty fucking smart, bro, when it comes to all this, and I tune the car myself, but sometimes it's never too bad to admit when you need help. So, you know, I reached out to Tony from T1, and he's gonna actually create a condition, hopefully in the dash, that will basically turn that valve off after a set amount of time and have it stay on the second that launch is engaged. So that's the plan. You know, this is what happens when you start running out of you know, the limitations, or you're at the edge of the software. That's what happens with the GPR package. So, you know, after this, it's either something like maybe the USA Drag, or maybe even developers eventually, because you got to start making all of your own conditions within the software to make things happen. So that'll get done hopefully before Tuesday. And yeah, but holy shit, fucking car feels amazing. Clutch does work, the Hitmaster does work. I was going over the logs, and now I just need it to be consistent and happen where I tell it, and we'll be good from there. So stay tuned to the next video. Next one should hopefully be a mix of getting it aligned and, you know, everything that goes about a solid track day. So stay tuned, subscribe, follow. Later.